Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a dotted line above a letter in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a dotted line above letter. Now I write some letters. Now we want to insert dotted line. Go to the insert menu, click the shapes drop down menu and go to the line section, select the line, then press shift on our keyboard and draw the line above this word. Then go to the shape format menu, click the shape outline and increase the white. Then again go back this option and go to the dashes option and choose the dot. Now we can see we insert dotted line above letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.